Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel BoomiWorld. Hope everyone is doing great. In our last video, we discussed about some Dell Boomi interview questions. If you haven't watched my last videos, please go and check it out now. So in this video, I'm going to provide some more Dell Boomi questions. So before going to the video, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So let's begin the video. So in our last video, we saw some of the basic general questions and then some questions from shapes, right? So in this video, we can see what type of questions we'll get from differences. So they will ask differences between FTP and then SFTP servers. In Dell Boomi, we have FTP connector and then SFTP connectors to connect to the respective servers. So if they ask you to tell some differences between the FTP and then SFTP server, you have to include what is FTP and then what is SFTP and then differences between the FTP and then SFTP server. So I have already provided some differences between FTP server and then SFTP server in our previous videos. So if you haven't watched my last videos, go and check it out now. And coming to next, we have differences between local atom and then cloud atom. So for this question, you have to answer first of all what is atom and then types of atoms and then differences between the local atom and then cloud atom. I have provided some detailed explanation of these atom differences of local atom and then cloud atom. So please go and check it out. And next, atom and then molecule differences. So here you have to explain what is atom and then what is molecule and then differences between the atom and then molecule. And general process mode and then low latency process mode differences. So in Boomi platform, the process modes are two types, general process mode and then low latency process mode. So you can explain what are the main differences between the general process mode and then low latency process mode. And next, message shape and then notify shape differences. So first you need to explain what is message shape and then advantages of message shape, and next what is notify shape and then advantages of notify shape, and then you have to explain differences between the message shape and the notify shape. And next, differences between the decision shape and then business rule shape. So first, what is decision shape and what is business rule shape, and next you have to explain differences between the decision shape and then business rule shape. And process call shape and then process route shape differences. So same way you have to explain first the definition of process call shape and then process route shape. After that you have to explain differences between the process call shape and then process route shape. And next, differences between the database connector and program command shape. So for this question you have to include what is database connector and how we are going to connect with the database, and what is program command shape, how you are implementing program command shape on Boomi, and the main differences between the database connector and then program command shape. And next we have differences between the dynamic document property and dynamic process property. So first you have to explain types of properties and then differences between the dynamic document property and then dynamic process property. And it's better to take one example and explain clearly how dynamic document property will store values and how dynamic process property will store values. And next, dynamic process property and then process property differences. So first, what is process property and then types of process properties, and you can explain differences between both dynamic process property and then process property. So next, differences between web service server connector and then API management. So first you have to explain web service server connector. After that you have to explain what is API management, and then you can mention all the differences between the web service server connector and then API management. And finally you can tell what is the best way to connect the endpoints. And next, differences between the SOAP and REST web services. So what is SOAP, what is REST, and how you are going to connect, what is the main differences, whether it is a secure or not secure. So you can include all those differences on SOAP and REST web services. And Atom and AtomSphere differences. So same way, first you can tell what is atom, after that what is AtomSphere, and then differences between the atom and AtomSphere. And next, SDLC and then agile method differences. So SDLC is nothing but software development lifecycle. So we can tell the main differences between the SDLC and agile method. Yeah, so these type of questions you will get from differences. Hope this video help you to crack the interview. If you have any doubts, please let me know on comment section. Meanwhile, I'll try to upload all differences on coming short videos. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And please don't forget to click the bell icon so that you will get all notifications whenever I post the video. Thank you all. See you in my next video. Until then, bye-bye.